for the lower back section, you're going to start with, let's get a little bit of cream. You're going to start with your big effleurage that we did, but it's going to come down lower into lower back, and then I'm going to come around to the lower back and actually do effleurage through here. So we're going to start at the sacrum, we're going to push up through to the base of the ribs, push down and over the ribs, and then come back through centre. So it's a press up and through, so we're following the paravertebrals. We come out and then we come down and then back up to centre. So it's a basic lower back massage. So you're really starting where lower back, sacrum, top of the pelvis, and coming in. Now from here, so if you think where your sacrum bones are, you're using, and you can see the paravertebral muscles here, either side of the spine, and then we're pushing out along the lats, and then we're pulling in as we go down the waist. Now from here, I'm just going to go small circles either side and around and press down and then come back through. So it's base of the sacrum, and I'm just going across both sides of the pelvis and through. And then once we've gone through the sides of the pelvis here, we're going to come up along the paravertebral muscle. So that's just small circles. So press and release, press up and release, circle and release, all the way up through just to the base here and down. So we've gone across the crest of the hips, and then we go up through the big muscles of the spine, so the big erector spinae of the spine. Then we're going to push hands down and through. So what you want is you want your weight through the heel of your hands together, pushing across and down and through, across the top of the hips, and then you work your way up to the base of the ribs, pull back down, and then we start again. And then I'm just going to come to the side and work through the quadratus lumborum. So this is the QL muscle. So you want to imagine it's a bit like picking up the hair or the neck of scruff of a cat. We're just picking up through, and then we start back down again. So you're really scooping and pulling and sort of kneading the muscles of the QL. And then on that side, we're going to push down. And you can see as I'm coming through, I'm moving. And you can go as high up to the armpit if you want to. And then we come back down and start again. So one hand leads the way, and the other hand is just following the rear. Fingers just fold at the end as we go through, and then we start again. And then reaching through. So we're going to just use that on the other side. So I would come around the other side and do my kneading. So I'll come around and do that now. So if you're going to change size, you can keep contact with your person, and then we're going to do the kneading and then the working through. From there we can come back and then finish with your effleurage. So you're pushing up and through and pulling back in. And then if you wanted to, and you're coming into bottoms areas here, you can use the hand to knead the cheeks, or you can do them both together. And same thing again, if you're pushing and working, you can work through those cheeks. Okay, so finishing off, contact, a little bit of downward pressure before you release.